not happening in Jamaica. Stop painting a dirty picture for Jamaica for people recognizing up on internet. And there should be a ban for false news on internet. Because some of no boy and some of no girl we post something where make like Jamaica look away. Let me tell you something. Right now, we're upon a thing when name all man we are kidnap woman and rape woman. We're upon the hunt for them. You see, from where they talk about people get catch, them can't ramp with no more girl picking the boy. Because we are look for every vehicle, we are search every vehicle with all when we are asleep, we are watch the vehicle them. Yeah? Someone to stop going like say people is down here killing people and take away them body parts because we don't find no girl at Jamaica yet with them body parts gone. Stop something we don't have Africa and some more place in the world. Stop post it like a Jamaica it a gone. More please stop it. Some of we don't know bad publicity because don't know love Jamaica and don't want to destroy the country more than how it destroy. We don't put up all kind of false news. You know what we do? Definitely the character of the country.